That's it! The concert's over! A huge flood is coming! Oh no! What should I do? I can't breathe! Gotcha! Huh? Poor thing can't breathe! There, that's better. Phew! Thank you! Can you make me a mermaid too? Yes, of course! Let's start with your tail. I've got a tail, but it's way too small. Don't worry, we'll fix that. One moment. Wow, that's yours? Want to take the wheel? Awesome! How do I drive it? All done. Go ahead. So, did it work? Perfect. Just your size. Try on your new tail. Fits perfectly. Wow, I love it! Thank you so much! What are they doing there? Ew, get off me, banana! That tail looks amazing on you. I know, thanks! What mean thing should I do? I know. Boo! What was that? The soda just came alive! What do we do now? Drink the soda, Zoey! Oh no! My face! That's terrible! Oh, it's you! Oops! Look at you! You're all wet! You'll pay for that! Leave while you can! Ha! Ugh, not that! Perfect! But what about my face? Don't worry, I'll fix it super fast.
No mirror rules my crown, no filter tears me down. Glow up, not about the face. Glow up, winning every race. It's the grind, the grit, the soul that shows, not the shimmer on your clothes. Glow up.
Wow! Thank you, mermaid! You look great! Wow, cool trident! How does it work? No, careful! Oh! What did you do? Halloween's already over! Oops, something went wrong! Give me the trident. You have to handle it very carefully. And what do I do with this hot dog now? Well, looks like you need some ketchup. That's not funny. Oh, come on, don't be mad. I'll fix it. The ocean portal is open. Your turn. Take this fishing rod. It's so tiny. I wonder what I'll catch. Let's see. Whoa, something big! Ouch! Wow, what a huge hot dog! Hi, little crab! What did you bring us? Maybe we can use that. Thanks, crab! Zoey, try on this top! Looks like it fits! Wow! It's so pretty! But something's missing. What do you think, Krabby? Needs some decoration. I know what to do. Cut here, stitch here. Wow, you're such a skilled crab! Done. Check it out. Perfect. Try it on. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, fashion designer crab. Thanks. Here, take these coins for your work. Thanks. Glad to help. Can you teach me how to use the trident? Okay. Watch my hands. Smooth moves. Wow, my favorite noodles. Go ahead, enjoy. Thanks. I was getting hungry. Oh, you're so cute when you eat. Wanna try? Ouch! Oh no! I'm all covered in noodles! Oops! Don't worry. I'll help. My magic dryer always saves the day. Oh, are you sure? Oh yes. Hold tight. Wow! Awesome! All done! Perfect hairstyle. Thanks! I feel amazing. Like I could fly! Wow! Oh yeah, my mood's flying high! Can I borrow your fan? Sure, here you go! Mind if I turn it into a decoration? Yes, please! Okay, watch this. Perfect! Let's attach some ties to the headband. Carefully cut. Add more blue ribbon. Wow, halfway done. Now decorate with seashells. And pearls. Wow! Here it is for you, a mermaid crown. Wow, thank you so much. It's beautiful. Well, well, well. What do we have here? I know what to do. A little transformation. They won't recognize me. Perfecto. Wave your hand just like that. Ciao. Pizza delivery. Wow, yummy pizza. But I don't have any money. Wait, I'll check my pockets. Ooh, there it is, the Trident. Here, pizza's on the house. What? Why does a pizza guy need a Trident? Where are you going? Silly girls, I'm not a delivery guy. It's you. Give back the Trident. Oh no, it's mine now. What? Wow. That's it. I'll show you how my fan works. Ouch. Oops, you broke your own Trident, losers. I'm stronger than you. Oh no, what's that magic? Not this. What's happening, Tim? Who's there? Hiya. Oh, Rumi, it's you. So glad you're here. Wow, your tails are perfect. Thanks, but our Trident's broken. Yeah, and my fan's broken too. What should we do? That's a tough one, but I know how to fix it. I'm a mermaid now too. I need my own Trident. Okay, let's do it together. Oh yeah, let's all sing together.
I'll fix the flame. I'll light it again. No more shadows where the truth has been. Burning, burning bright. No more blame. I'll fix the flame. I'll fix the flame. I'll light it again. No more shadows where the truth has been. Burning brighter. No more blame. I'll fix the flame. I'll fix the flame.
Beautiful singing, girls. Wow, it worked. Well, I gotta go. Bye. Bye, Rumi. Look at my Trident. It's amazing. Oh, you dropped something. We gotta replace that piece. Fast. We need a portal. Try to open one. Okay, here we go. Wow, it worked. Let's go. Wow, we're in the underwater kingdom. It's so beautiful here. Whoa, what's this wheel? Maybe it'll fit me? Look, the perfect accessory. No, that's not it. Oh, let's see what's inside this chest. Okay. What's in there? Oh, it's locked. Why? To open the chest, we have to complete this challenge. What kind of challenge? Look, it's Tetris. We have to play. Let's go. I'll go first. Okay. My turn now. Got it. Let's keep going. Oh, yeah! We won! Yes! We did it! We're awesome! Look, the chest opened. Let's see what's inside. Wow! Look, a starfish! It's perfect for your outfit. Put it on your wrist. Oh, yeah. Wow! That was such a cool idea. Let's go! Oh, Rumi! What's she doing? Come on, come on! Ugh, I can't pass this level. One more try. What's going on? Oh, I know this game. Need help? Yes! Let's play together, girls. Maybe we can beat it. Go, go, go! Hit it! Quick, Rumi! Block the shot! No! We lost again. Let's try one more time. Yes! Sing! Yes! Victory! Woohoo! We did it! And here's my prize. Let's see what I won. A bed! Wow, congrats! That's awesome! Are there any more prizes? For us? No, it says only one prize. Okay, girls, I gotta run. I gotta got a sweet prize for you, mermaid. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. And what about my look? Let's see. You just need some accessories. Okay. I'll make another portal and we'll get some. Let's go. Okay, let's see what we can find here. Oh no, the chest is empty. What do we do? Look, there's a microphone. It's a new singing challenge. Let's go.
Take me higher, set my soul on fire, fire. 이 밤이 끝나지 않길 바라. Hope this never ends. Take me higher until we're tired, tired. 영원히 계속 끌 것만 같아. Feels like it lasts forever.
Wow, what a great duet. Look, what's that? Something new. What's inside the box? Wow. Oh, yes, it's my new choker. So cute. Wow. And what else is there? A tiara for me. I got a surprise for you, too. I'll take your voice, mermaid. Oh, no. I won't let that happen. Stop. I need backup. Raven, you know what to do. Go get him. Oh, no. How do we stop the bird? I've got it. Bird seed. What? How dare you? Oh, toast. Lum. Good birdie. How dare you? That's my bird. I'll show you now. Oh, no. Ouch. Got you. Ugh, I'll get you next time. I'm so full. Great job.
Let's go.
And I'll keep an eye on him. Look, there's Roomy again.
What?
Ooh, my favorite soda. I love it so much. Hey, that's actually my soda. Zoey, you look amazing. Thanks, Roomy. Can I have your soda? Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Thanks. Stop right there. What? It's him again. I'll handle this. I don't think so. Ah! Hey, you! Give the mermaid back. I can use magic too. Huh? Huh? Oh no! I have a tail! Ah! Great job, Mermaid Zoey! Thank you! I've got to decorate my bed now. Wow, Roomy, I'm your biggest fan. Want some soda? Thanks. Want a cappuccino? No need, thanks. Soda's enough for me. Mermaid, here's a can for you too. What? I don't drink that. Fine, more for me. Oh, I've got an idea. I'll need a sharp needle. I'll poke a lot of holes in the can. Ooh, this will make a great lamp. I'll pierce all the cans and turn them into a garland. Hang everything on these sticks. Perfect. Wow, so cute. I love cappuccino. Oh, I want a beautiful bed headboard too. Cup, go. Wow, gorgeous. Just need a soft blanket. Ooh, so cozy now. I drew the border. Don't even think about crossing into my territory. What? Why? You're so funny, girls. I like this lamp.
Yes.
But the ballerina's too big for it. Troom trick. Wow, now it's perfect. Ballerina, you'll decorate this lamp. There. Oh, something's missing. We need a tutu. This one's perfect. Wow, just need to secure it. Oh, I love it. Beautiful tutu. Let's add light. Oh, yes, it worked. How do you like my lamp, mermaid? Not bad, but I can make something even cooler. Oh, yeah, my underwater treasures. Wow, what's inside? Show us. Underwater junk? Not interested. Wait a second. Where is it? Oh yeah, my giant pearl. Here's my treasure. Look how it shines. Whoa, careful. You're blinding me. Incredible. Oh yes. Troom trick. Do you like the video? Like it, write a comment, and click on the bell to stay updated.